Hi everyone, welcome to this topic network testing utility summary. What did I learn in this module? Troubleshooting commands. A number of software utility programs are available that can help identify network problems. Most of these utilities are provided by the operating system as click commands. Some of these available utilities include ipconfig, display IP configuration information, ping, test connection to other IP hosts, netstat, display network connection, tracert, display the route taken to the destination, nslookup, directly queries to the name server for information on a destination domain. The ipconfig command is used to display the current IP configuration information for a host. Issuing this command from the command prompt will display the basic configuration information include IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The command ipconfig/all displays additional information including the MAC address, media access control, IP address of the default gateway, and the DNS server, domain name server. It also indicates if DHCP is enabled. Domain dynamically is DHCP is dynamically host configuration protocol. The DHCP server address and list information. If IP addressing information is assigned dynamically, the command ipconfig release will release the current DHCP blending. ipconfig renew will request fresh configuration information from the DHCP server. A host may contain faulty or outdated IP configuration information, and a simple renewal of this information is all that is required to regain connectivity. Probably the most commonly used network utility is ping. Most IP-enabled devices support some from the ping command in order to test whether or not network devices are reachable through the IP network. When a ping is sent to an IP address, a packet knows and a nature request is sent across the network to the IP address specified. If the destination host receives the actual request, it responds with a packet knows and an actual reply. Okay, first is actual request and the next step is actual reply. If the source receives the actual reply, connectivity is verified by the reply from the specific IP address. Congratulations, you made it all the way through this course. Way back in the first module of this course, I mentioned that I can troubleshoot and fix my web. In fact, I can even make it stronger and more secure. Being able to do that is very satisfying. You have learned about the many commands that you can use to troubleshooting and fix your own network. You can use these commands to investigate your network, even if it's performing as it should. Which commands will you start with? Network testing utilities. What is a user trying to determine with issuing a ping to this address command on a PC? If the TCP/IP stack, no. If there is connectivity with the destination device, yes. A user who is unable to connect to the file server contact to help desk. The help desk technician asks the user ping the IP address of the default gateway that is configured on the workstation. What is the purpose for this ping command? To obtain a dynamical IP, no. To request that gateway forward the connection, no. To test that the host has the capability to reach hosts on other networks, to resolve the domain name, no. Which three pieces of information are reliable by the ipconfig command without the alt switch choice tree? Okay, is a MAC address, DNS server, DHCP server. Question 4. Which command is used to test network connectivity and provide a response to each packet received by the remote host? This is ping. Which command line utility is used to display active network connectivity on PC? Which command line utility is used to display active network connection? Uh, uh, okay, I need to translate this question. Is netstat. A user needs to find the MAC address on the host PC with this command. A user is able to ping this address by its IP address but cannot browse to this form. What is the possible cause? The IP address of the source PC is wrong, the IP address of the gateway, the DHCP server, the DNS server is not working. A technical troubleshooting a network problem has used click commands to determine that a computer has not been allocated a corrupt IP address from the DHCP server. Which command can the technician use to solve this problem? Okay, with ipconfig renew or release. Which command line utility is used to test connectivity to other IP hosts? Match the command line utility with its functions. Tracert. Display the route taken to the destination. NSLOOKUP. Mm, ipconfig. Test connection. Netstat. Display network connection. Directly queries to the name server for information. Okay. 80%. Congratulations, you have passed the test. Okay. Okay, is ipconfig renew? Okay. Is IP address of the mask? Okay, I don't understand to good form this question. And this is all for this. See you in the next one. Bye.